Welcome to our channel Asan Elahi. The Amazon rainforest, one of the most biodiverse places on our planet. Here, the lush green canopy of the forest provides a home to an incredible array of wildlife, including many rare and exotic species of birds and animals. In this video, we will explore the beauty of this magnificent ecosystem and gain a greater appreciation for the importance of preserving this unique environment for future generations. The Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical rainforest in the world, spanning over 6.7 million square kilometers across 9 South American countries. The rainforest is also an important contributor to the global climate, producing 20% of the world's oxygen. Birds of the Amazon. The Amazon rainforest is home to over 1,500 species of birds, including many that are found nowhere else on Earth. Some of the most iconic birds of the Amazon are: macaws are large, colorful parrots that are known for their striking plumage and impressive vocalizations. There are 17 species of macaws, all of which are found in Central and South America. Macaws are highly social birds and are often seen flying in flocks through the canopy of the rainforest. Toucans are another type of colorful bird that are found in the Amazon rainforest. They are easily recognized by their large, colorful bills, which can be up to a third of their body length. Toucans feed on fruits and insects and play an important role in spreading seeds throughout the rainforest. Hummingbirds are some of the most fascinating and beautiful birds found in the Amazon rainforest. Hummingbirds are the smallest birds in the world, with some species measuring only 2 inches in length. With their iridescent feathers, unique flying abilities, and striking displays, they are a popular attraction for birdwatchers and nature lovers. The Amazon rainforest is not only a beautiful and fascinating place, but also a critical ecosystem that provides numerous benefits to the planet and its inhabitants. However, the rainforest is under threat from deforestation, climate change, and other human activities. By learning about the birds and animals of the Amazon, we can gain a greater appreciation for the importance of protecting this fragile environment. It is our responsibility to ensure that future generations can continue to experience the wonder and beauty of the Amazon rainforest. Thanks for watching.